So, yeah. See, I told y'all my phone be blowing up. It's a bill collector. I ain't gonna lie. Every damn 30 minutes, 15 minutes. But we're gonna mute now because I ain't got no money to pay him. But anyways, you know, it's crazy. Before I take off on the road, you know, people normally think when you start a business, you're gonna off the rip make money. Then you got others that think that, you know, you're just starting off, it's gonna pick up in a year, 3 years at max. And then they don't understand people like me don't make no money, or all the money coming in is just paying the bills and just being able to survive. But 99% of people don't start businesses with no money, and I'm doing that right now. So far I've been afloat for 8 months, and February will be my year. But praying for the best, and I just had to put it out there. But I ain't rich at all. Rich is what I'm going for. Rich is where I want to be. It is what it is. But yes sir, stay tuned. Bounce, move the bitch. So we're out here. I'm at a Publix down in the area where some people I know, some friends I know, they're in a neighborhood where there's a bunch of celebrities, and outside the neighborhood is this Publix. So we're assuming that, say, those people in that $1 million homes, they come shopping at the Publix down here, which Friday is probably a bad day because most of the I guess celebrities or high-end people, they do their grocery shopping on a Monday or Wednesday or so, just to avoid the crowds, because typically they're more prepared, I guess, for the weekend, or you know, if they everybody tries to avoid the crowds. What I'm doing out here is scoping for cars that may be interested. I really don't know what I'm doing. This is the first time I'm actually doing it. Usually I have somebody with me and we're like at a stoplight, and I tell my passenger, my niece or nephew, jump out, go give them a business card because their car look like shit. Right now I'm just seeing a couple cars passing through, nothing concrete, like sitting here. So I see a couple, but it's just like awkward to just walk up to them. I don't want to frighten nobody, so I'm more likely just sitting here, just get attention, and hopefully somebody will walk up to me and compliment the truck, and then they see the decals and then be like, "Oh, you do that? Let me see." So we got a limousine driver right there, and those 3 cars might be limos. That transit van and stuff, that might be TIs right there. Who knows? You know, TI does ride in the transit van a lot. I don't know how I know that, but I do know that for a fact. I don't know what his personal car is, but during the day I think he's in the transit van most of the time. But yes sir, bye-bye. Now I'm at an Ingles. Ain't nothing shaking today. Maybe Friday's just a bad day. I don't even know. It's just scary because I don't want to spook nobody out, especially in these in this day and times. It's dangerous out here, man. Dangerous. Just gotta keep doing it, and you know, it'd be better if I see trucks or something, but I don't see nothing. I see a BMW over there, but it's so old, they might not even care about it. I don't know, but we'll see. Bye-bye. All right, y'all, so I'm on another side of the city. Well, not too far, it's just further south, but I came here because I know there's a Tesla charging station and they all right there. I'm just hoping they see, they don't give a damn about no trucks. But I'm hoping the sticker or decals bring some kind of interest and they'll walk up to me or something. I really don't want to bother them while they're charging or on their phones, because that's really pretty creepy. And you know, just, I don't know, I'm just praying that somebody recognizes it, and probably not just like that couple just walked by and didn't attract them at all. Maybe if I was in a souped up Tesla or something, but you know what I'm saying, I want to be the authorized Tesla ceramic coater on the south side of Atlanta. Yes sir, I'm on. All right guys, so finally back from riding around, and we failed like hell. Hopefully, you know, I did get seen, or somebody took a picture of my phone number or something. Hopefully it wasn't a waste of gas. Hopefully something came through, but we're back at the shop, and as you can see, this is the BDS kit that my boy Thigh done dropped off. So I started this thing where I wanted to be like a build consultant and, you know, make money from my knowledge and make some kind of revenue, but it failed. But I got one guy, my boy Thigh, we just met last week for the first time ever, but he's brought his lift. We're gonna get it ceramic coated before it get it installed, and the reason why we do the ceramic coating on the lift is so that way when it gets dirty, it'll be a lot more easier to clean. It'll stay shiny for a long time, or depending on the coating of the thing. Most of the time it's 2 years, and you want to refresh it every then. But we're gonna go ahead and do it so that way it gives it time to harden up. Basically, ceramic is a liquid. It comes in a liquid form and it hardens up like glass. What up, G?
What up, man?
This is my sergeant at arms right here.
Yeah,
he the muscle. So if y'all pick on me, he gonna beat you up. Alright, y'all, so we back at the shop. We had to go step out, get something to eat. We did the meeting already. Of course, Drew's here. We got Matt's truck over there. We got some members of Green Light Gang. They're still rocking the Kickback Legends decal. And we got USO truck. You see what it is. He's under construction right now. And Matt, Lee.
Excuse me.
Well, we're working on getting this grill out. He got an upgrade. Got Drew down bottom.
Oh, I see you wrong.
Yeah, meeting. And you know how we doing it right here. Look at this motherfucker.
Going out there for real too, we. Hell yeah. That ain't no joke. That's that real deal. That's that HD front.
And once again, subscribe to his channel, Skins with a Z, Lifestyles with a Y.
Out. You gonna find Ching Chong over there with the eye. Right.
Ain't nothing wrong with no Ching Chong, cause we made America.
Hey, look, I'm just saying, his channel hella boring.
That whole grill made in China, but actually California.
Should we screw this, one of these top ones, and then bend it?
We can try.
But it has to be even, right?
Well, the holes have to match up, right? Because we're using.
No, remember this flex.
Yeah, I just.
And remember we had the same issue?
Yeah. Now, with yours was different though. Yours, we had to cut all this.
Man, that's a bitch. Hey man, I got my own channel, you got yours. You know what I'm saying? It's,
Yeah, we'll see you next year.
there's plenty of space in the air.
We'll see you next year.
Yeah, I'm going back on vacation after this.
No, man, come on.
Right now, it's tilted, so it definitely needs to straighten up.
What's up, dude? This BAM channel, bro.
Hold it tight.
Yeah.
Why my auntie sent me a brown cut for I got this out.
You can slide it a little bit.
Yeah, I'm like that too on mine. I don't let certain family members follow me.
I'm not. They can follow me, but I just block them from seeing my story.
Yeah, like I don't let my mama see my stories and stuff.
Hey, you see my beard? Yeah.
But, well, we can always like lift up and
Yeah. This man
yeah, I would say
put the GMC grill on the Honda. Look at him. This man got a GMC Honda. Why? Only DJ. Ziploc bag. See the blue tape right there? How long you had this grill?
2 years, 3 years. Before he was loose.
No comment.
He had to actually change it.
It was in. He bought it for the envoy.
Oh, y'all gotta put me on blast. Like,
I just asked the question. I just wanted to know.
said it for a reason.
Nah, this BAM channel.
I know that. She
Modeling.
As you can see right now, we're having complications getting the grill to line up with the factory thing.
think we got too many fucking? No, you gotta keep it in there.
Most of the time,
Well, not really.
you're gonna have to make some alterations to make it fit your factory thing right there.
That's all right, though. What are you talking about?
These niggas over here.
Fine, a click like mine.
What click is that?
Kickback legend. Put me on the sticker like this, BAM.
You gonna have to make your own sticker, bro.
Getting head from a bit.
We don't promote that.
What font you use?
Damn, almost dropped that shit.
Clean the toilet. You still got short this one, huh?
Ain't no skip box.
We ain't got like 4 in
The
there.
toilet that bad.
If it's me, I just shit with the door open. But, you know, when I have guests, I don't want them dying in there. Cause you can die in there.
LED strips in there.
What you trying to do? Have a girl in there?
If I'm at work
Hey,
and I ain't got my phone, I shit real quick and get back on the
if Green Light Gang want to install some lights in there, that's fine too. Y'all can have a meeting here.
Green light.
Hey, you heard what he said. If Grille like they want to install some lights in there, that's fine.
Yeah.
You can have a meeting there.
Put some underglow on the
But all of y'all gotta fit in the bathroom.
So we look good right here.
Go out again.
Oh, you know what
Conyers. I don't know where it's at, but it's, yeah, that park you just said.
Goddamn, throw that bitch on the ground.
Yes, sir. You think it's gonna hold? It's gonna hold.
We're gonna make a hole. Yeah. Get in there, everything. Go into that mug.
That's why I got my shit. I do this stone. So I
Wow.
That with shorts on get tore up.
That bitch
Back
hard.
there with salt there.
That shit hard as fuck.
That nigga back there.
What you think, Ken?
Shit, fire.
That shit official? Kickback Legends. Oh, I'm throwing up wrong game sign.
Oh my God.
Kickback Legends official.
Yeah. Wait.
Oh shit!
Hey, turn the light on.
I want a new grill.
Hit the light.
I don't know where the switch at.
Hold on,
Wait, so hey, VHX tape happening.
Is that a palm tree?
First one fell out like fucking. Probably gave you a sign. Don't put down on it.
Drew, what you think? That shit was way easier than mine, huh?
Right.
Yeah, a lot easier.
Other than that.
Who's what you think?
It's blowing. Hey, it's blowing.
That shit dope.
It's blowing the AC from over there.
Matt, what you think, man?
Wow, it's motor bitch.
My shit gonna be shining like a fucking.
You heard the man?
You got 15 right like.
Alright, y'all, so I'm trying to get back into the groove of vlogging. This is my homeboy's baby shower. He's the one with the Silverado, that tan one with the 24s that we put the amp steps on. He just got a baby boy, so it's a gender reveal. It's not a baby shower. But we're gonna head out to G's. I can't stay here long. It's too many people, too much to do. And it's hot and I'm sweating already. You know how fat people is. But about to head to G's. He's having a Saints Falcons football party that he does annually every year. And there's a lot of people over there too, so we're gonna go see what's up and go from there. Bye bye. Yeah, we out here. Y'all, bro, Tristan and Vic out here. Some of the gang was here earlier, but yeah, I missed them. Running late, running behind, doing all type of shit. And 16 wise. Y'all can see this whole Saints party. What's up, little man? The whole family. That's one of our new guys.
Right. If you give me one too,
Right there. Yeah. About to take a picture. Alright, y'all, so it's getting dark. We really just kicking it with G's family and stuff. He invited us over here, so about to put the camera up and just kick back. Wow.